Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shafiq, and today I will present my individual assignment, which is the assignment about the inventory application management. So what I'm doing is I'm create inventory management for keychain. So basically for keychains. So this is the codes that I have used for this project. So let me just show you how the system works first. So this is the system. It's basically inside the command prompt. So this is the interface, the UI for the application. So first of all, let's just demo what this system can do. So let's try to enter number 1. So when I entered number 1, it will show every single of keychain inside the system that already been saved. And then let's say if I want to search for a keychain, so let's say I want to search kitty, so let's just enter number 2 and search for kitty. Then there we go, it will show every single of information about the kitty inventory, kitty, okay, for the kitty keychain. And then let's say that I want to add another keychain, so let's enter number 3. And then let's say that I want to enter something like Barbara. There we go. And then let's say the series is about Genshin Impact. There we go. And then for the price, let's say I will enter something like 5 ringgit. And then the quantity. So for the quantity, let's say I will choose something like 8. And there we go. It has been saved inside the system. So let's say that I want to see if the keychain already been saved or not. So let's just display, enter number 1, and there we go, we have Barbara inside the system. Okay, so let's proceed to number 4. So for number 4, we can delete the keychain. So let's say that I want to delete the already existed inside the system, which is, let's say, cinnamon roll. So I will enter number 2, and there we go, the keychain has been removed successfully. So let's say we check it, and there we go, there's no cinnamon roll anymore inside the system. Okay, so let's proceed to number 5, which is display sum, average, min, max for all of the keychain. So when I enter for number 5, it will show the sum, average, minimum, and maximum for every single keychain inside the system. Okay, so let's say that I want to save all of this sum, average, minimum, and max into the system. So I will enter number 6. And there we go, the analytics has been saved. So let's display it. Let's see what has been saved inside the system. And here we go, this is all of the log, all of the sum, average, min, max that has been saved based on the timestamp for each of the analytics. So when I enter anything else, let's say I will enter number 8, it will say invalid choice. And when I enter number 0, it will exit the system. Okay, so let's proceed to the codes. So for everything that inside here at the number at here 5 disguise. So this one is pretty much same inside the textbook that we use. Yeah, this is pretty much same. This one also same. I just copy and paste it from the book. This one too, and for the note, same as well. Okay, so what's the important here is this 5 right over here at the right. So let's say that I want to take a look at the keychain class. So this is the keychain class. Yeah, pretty much have the these variables, and we have the normal constructor. We have 4 setter for each of the variable, and also the getter and 2 strings. So how about the analytics? So analytics also pretty much same. We have all of the variable, the analytics. This is the normal constructor, and we don't need to use setter, so I don't use setter at here, and we just only have 5 getter, which is sum, average, min, max, and also the time. And lastly, we have 2 string. So what is this 2? So this 2 file is just save all of the information, so when we run the system again, it will read every line inside the file, and it will save back into the array list. And same goes to the analytics. So how about here, we have the main function here. So inside the main, basically I make it something like app. So right over here, this is the things that we use to run the application. So yeah, pretty much same. It just have many cases, 1 until 7 and number 0 to exit the application. So this app have 7 methods inside of it. So for the each method, let's take a look at one of them. So this is the start prompt. So inside the start prompt, basically just menu for the apps. And the next one, we have display kitchen list. So for display kitchen list, it will just read every single of the object inside the kitchen list and display all of the toString. So the next one, we have search keychain. So for the search keychain, same as well. It is that we need to use the scanner to search for the name that I want, and then use the loop to search for all of the object to compare which application, which object have the same name, and it will output the result. And for the next one, we have the add keychain. So for the add keychain, I just use the scanner to add one of for each the what we call this, the variable, and then I have saved it inside the kitchen object, KC object. Then I add it inside the kitchen list, and then we use the buffer writer to add each one of the variable and use this modulus as the tokenizer. And if the system failed, it will output error save keychain to file. Okay, for the next one, we have delete keychain. So for the delete keychain, pretty much same. It will loop inside the system to access each of one of the keychain data, and then it will ask us which keychain do you want to remove. So when I enter the index that I want, it will try to remove the keychain from the keychain list, and then if it fails, it will output the error. And also if the system, if the keychain is not being found, it will output there is no keychain installed. Okay, so for the next one, we have remove from file. So what is this? So this one is basically it will remove a keychain from the file that I have shown before inside here. So it will remove. This method is basically just remove the file and write the existing file back with the item that only have been saved. So the remove one will be gone. And then right over here, this one method, this one right over here, this method, we use this to load the keychain that inside the file into the array list. So that's pretty much it for this one. And if it error, it will show error loading keychain from file, and we also have error parsing keychain data. And right over here for this one, we have do calculation. So this method basically just do the calculation for the sum, minimum, maximum, and average, and it will get every of the price for each keychain. It's not counted with quantity, it's only for the price, and it will save inside the sum, minimum, max, and also average will be count. So it will output all of the sum, average, minimum, and maximum. And the next one, I have save analytics. So for the save analytics, it's basically it will save everything inside the analytics text. And also right over here at the bottom, okay, this one, it will create the object, then it will insert the data, And then right over here, you will also get the item that has been saved inside the analytic list, and it will copy it into the analytics link list, and then it will be saved into the analytic link list. And right over here, we have the method to save the line of each item for each analytics inside the file. And the last one, we have display analytics. So what this one can do is just output the file, the analytics file, so the user can see what the analytics has been saved inside the system. So that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. That's all from me. Thank you.